Welcome to our quick guide on designing impactful learning experiences. Today, we dive into exercise design and implementation. Are you ready to transform your approach to learning? Exercise design focuses on engaging activities that enhance learning. Let's break it down step by step. Start by identifying your learning objectives. Clear learning goals guide exercise design, keeping activities relevant and focused. Next, create engaging practical exercises. Think about hands-on activities that relate to real-life scenarios. Activities like discussions and simulations boost collaboration and understanding. Then, plan your exercise structure. A clear outline helps maintain focus and flow. Start with an introduction, followed by the main activity. Assessment methods are crucial. Develop ways to evaluate learners' understanding and progress. You might use quizzes, peer evaluations, or reflective journals. Choose methods that align with your objectives. Now, let's illustrate this process with an example. Imagine teaching teamwork skills. You could assign a group project. Each member has their role. After the project, groups reflect on their experience through discussion. This not only promotes collaboration but allows for personal growth. In summary, set objectives, design clear exercises, and assess for effective learning. Ready to implement these strategies? Start designing your impactful exercises today. Together, we can enhance learning for everyone. In the next video we will discuss about facilitation skills development. Stay connected with us. Thank you.